It's a video.
Oh. Hi.
Dr. Pepper makes everything better. Legit. I need to go to English later, like in 3rd, to like ambush Trevor and give my friend her Dr. Pepper.
That's her.
In my bag, I have to. Dr. Pepper. Just like Kelsey, we so don't advertise in our videos. No, we don't.
Hi.
It's Bath and Body Works. I know.
Irresistible apple.
Yeah.
Body lotion. Smells so good.
It does. Look at that. Look at them playing with a balloon. You can't zoom in, but look at them play with a balloon. While the rest of us just sit here and do nothing. And then there's the guys over in the far corner. You can't see them, but they're like right there. Haha, my finger looks awesome. Finger. I'm such a dork. Okay, now I'm gonna stop playing with this photo. Oh yeah, and like right over there are the cheerleaders. Yeah, behind the people playing with the balloon are the cheerleaders. My finger is so funny in this video. It like slowly, it delays. Those boys over there. Oh yeah.
The ones that can do all those moves.
The ones that can do all those moves that none of us can.
The annoying as hell too.
Exactly.
Oh, look at
This is our crappy gym.
She's Acacia. She has fat and rolling over. She did not to like show it off.
Oh yeah, there's Acacia. Ew, I have to deal with her for 4th period. Luckily, not today.
Let's
There's down that awesomeness. There's a whole bunch of girls not trying out for the cheer squad next year. I'm so happy. It's an easy in. I sound like a total bitch when I say that, but it's an easy in. And over there's Mr. Pay, somewhere. He's like right there-ish, Mr. Pay. Look at all the people crowded on the piano. There's Jonadel, the person who took pictures of us last year without permission. Oh my god. Oh my god, Stephanie. I can't find my iPod.
pocket.
No.
Other pocket.
No. Wait, yes. What would I do without you? Is that good? La la la. He took this picture last year without asking us if we wanted it taken. Oh, you can see the light. It's awesome. There's like a flashing blue light. That's awesome. The guys are just down there screwing around now.
What is that? 3 or 4?
Okay. I'm going to end the video now.
It's so much. Bye.